What it is, what it do? Welcome back to the show. Yeah, I don't think I was recording at all.
Cool. Thank you, Lord, for that new 24. Oh, I hit a switch and put some points up on the board. Oh, and if I miss, have mercy on my soul. Hold on, tell me what's the move? I follow God, I don't follow y'all rules.
So anyway, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to let y'all in my life a little bit, and I'm going to do a restock in my refrigerator. I still got a couple more other things to go back to the store and get, but for the most part, we're gonna restock. So, who is still wiping off their groceries? Me. Who is been wiping off their groceries? Me. So, oh, and first things first, my grapes. So what I'm gonna do is take the grapes off the stem, break them off in here. Okay, now let's over here, fill it up with water and vinegar. Yeah. And we just let that sit. Hold on. Put this up on the camera. We just let that sit for, I just let it sit. Hold on. Just going to let that sit until I finish putting up all the other groceries. Or like, you know, just let it sit and disinfect and all that good stuff. Alright, so I think what I'll do first is my yogurt. So I'll keep this in the front. Ooh, hopefully I can fit that. There's the yogurt. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the milk. I need another paper towel. And I put my milk on the door. They changed and stuff. Anyway, I put my milk on the door. Now I'm going to do my vegetables. And I got some Brussels sprouts, which go in the greens. I have some Caesar salad, which goes in the greens as well. I have some spinach. And I still have some kale, so that's the greens. Hold on. That's the greens. I have kale, spinach, a salad, some Brussels sprouts, and it says green. The vegetables, which right now, all I have is my potatoes, which yeah, I have started putting my potatoes in the refrigerator because They say they last longer or something like that. But yeah, it's so they won't be like on my counter and all that jazz. This is freezer. Okay, that's freezer. So then I have to put the eggs up. So right now I'm about to do this. Slice off the potatoes and Spain and put that vegetables. Oh shoot, I don't want to do this anymore. Anyway, I'm not gonna show y'all that because there ain't nothing to see. This is turkey pepperoni, and I have a container that I put like different lunch meat or bacon or like whatever in there. So now I'm about to put the applesauce up. Let me see, this is so satisfying. Let's see. I'll do a better job next time. Now I'm going to, like I told y'all, I need to go get some more drinks. I think I'm gonna get some body armor. So this is my drinks one. This is miscellaneous. Right now I have almond butter, salsa, and hummus in there. It's just like miscellaneous things. I'm about to do the eggs. Maybe that'll be a little bit more satisfying than what I just tried to do. Okay. Let's close it through. Okay, now, hold on. I'm gonna put my frozen food up, which I only got a few things. So, oh shoot, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit that in there. Okay, so, I'm not even gonna explain that, but this is frozen food, and when I put it here, it's basically frozen fruit, because I don't buy a lot of frozen fruit, so frozen fruit, and like, my youngest loves fries, and then I got some other kind of stuff back here. So right now I'm gonna add the frozen fruit to this, but I think I might have to move some things around because I got two, and I don't think it'll all fit in here, so I might have to move some things out of the way. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all. I don't know. Life of a YouTuber, like, how do I show y'all me restocking? How do I show y'all that? Like that? Okay. Let me hurry. Set my, no, that ain't gonna work either, I don't think. Set my frozen fruit right here, and then maybe get a container for it, or just put one of the, I don't know. I have an idea now that I think I'm gonna do. Put this frozen food, or I might even get containers and empty out these. I'll figure it out, y'all, because my mind be doing a lot of things. Oh, 14 minutes. So that's that. I just gotta put up a couple other things. I'm not gonna show y'all my restock of my cabinets and stuff because I can show you my apples. Put my apples in my little thingamajigger. Hold on. If I can do this one-handed. Because I need to cut this off. This clip is too freaking long. Okay. This is my canister I put my apples in. And I just put them in there and we wash them off as we eat them. These are Honeycrisp apples, which are expensive, but always they're the best apples. So, there we go. There we are. So, I did all of this in one clip, and it's gonna be a lot of editing. I hope y'all appreciate it, and I hope y'all appreciate me for sharing that. My organization things that I do. Thanks so much for watching. I think that's gonna be the end. Cause you know, this 16 minutes. And after editing it might be like 13. After editing it might be 10. But thanks for watching. I gotta put the rest of this stuff up. I got other things to do. I just want to show y'all. Oh, hold up. Let me show y'all the pan over my. Or you know what? Sorry. Once I get the rest of my stuff, I'll do a pan over because I still gotta get my drinks. I got a few other things to get at another store. So yeah, and I'll show y'all. I'll just pan over the whole thing in the grapes, so everything will be in there. I hope that TV wasn't in the background. And Lady out.
But they still not me. There's only one. But I can sit around and wait for you to see. I gotta leave. Wait a minute, let me gather all my things. Wait a minute. I'm separating all my wants from all my needs. Ooh.